Hey guys, it is the 20th of December and I think we will take this little 30mm rockfort. So I have to take out my small picks again. And yes, it is one of those days I just can't get anything open again. But we still have some of these small things around, so still have a chance to get something on the tree. Rockforts are usually not that hard. I think I have picked a 40mm, but I do have picked 3 or 4 of the 50mm. So, yeah. Let's see if we can get a 30mm open as well. Yeah. And it even stays open by itself. Nice and easy. Okay, what about trying to rock it with the back of the pick here? I don't know the bidding because I don't have a key, of course. Nope. Rake it. Get stuck in there. That don't work. What about sipping? Again, just getting stuck. Nope. But SPP definitely worked. So, on the tree with it. Shoo. And focus, and there. So as always, beautiful Rugo star. The first one for the series was the American Lockwood, and the rest is random here. 40mm Eurolocks, 45mm IFAM, Morris 1100 clone, 50mm IFAM, unknown lever padlock from West Germany, Yale Y110 35 and 30 and 30 and Abus 8540, TSA 25mm, Triple Q 30mm, a copy of Tricircles, Castle 440, Bastion 30mm, Abus, that one, 6550 and 6540, 40mm WB, 30mm Flying Tiger padlock, 50mm Black Spur, and now the little 30mm rockfort. Only 4 more days till Christmas and till the end of this year's Christmas series. And then one of the days after that, between Christmas and New Year, I will find a winner. It doesn't necessarily be on the 25th, but one of the days between Christmas and New Year, I will find the winner for the Christmas series. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great Christmas.